Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to refund on Shein. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up your Shein application. So once you have opened up, now what you're going to do, you're going to log into your account. All right, so log into your account so that you can access your orders. So for some reason you want a refund on Shein, so whether you have received a product and you are not satisfied with the product, so you want to return the product and get a refund. So you got to return the product. You need to contact Shein and then initiate for a return request, and then you got to return the product. And once returned, only you can apply for a claim for a refund on Shein. Okay, or else if your item has not been shipped yet and it's still processing, then you can easily do that through the app. So it's like, for example, here if you go to your orders, click on the your Me tab, and then I'm going to go to my orders here. All right, so what I'm going to do now here, I don't want these. This is one of my orders. So what I'm going to do, I want a refund for this order. So I have not received this order yet, but I don't want this. I want to cancel this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open that order and then click on these three buttons here. Click on cancel, the three dots here, sorry, and then click on cancel. Then would you like to cancel? Yes. And then now select the item that you want to cancel. So I want to select that and hit on next step. And here, this is where I can this is how I can claim my refund. So my refund amount is $3, and okay, and you got to select how do you want the refund amount to be credited to your Shein wallet or your payment account. So I just want it in my payment account. All right, so I'll just choose my payment account. All right, and that's done. And then choose a cancellation reason. So all right, just choose that, and then you can choose any of these any options here. All right, so you can choose whether any option that suits your that suits you. So okay, so for example, I'll put processing too long, then I'm going to confirm it. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit on submit. All right, so that's it. So now what happened, my order has been cancelled and the refund process should have now initiated. So I just have to wait for my refund. It might take a couple of business days. So I'm just going to wait for the refund. So that's how you claim for a refund on Shein. So hope this video is helpful. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.